These are the elevators at the Meridien. We get one lantern, 2 elevators. These aren't touch sensitive, but they're still Lexan. They play wildlife sounds in these elevators. Going down.
Thank you. Oh, this is going up or down?
This is going down.
Oh, down. It is going down.
Yep.
How much down is there?
I don't know.
A lot of down.
Oh yeah, the parking garage.
Wow, these are fast. Whoa, it's dark down here.
Okay.
Let's not set up any alarms.
Huh.
Please do not stop at the lobby.
How do I get at the street level, man?
The lobby level. Damn it.
Thank you.
Now it's going up. Actually, I'll take this one.
As well.
Thank you.
It's dark in here. Yeah. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm going upstairs. If we stop, I swear. Oh my god, these are fast. Listen to the jungle music. Superstitious, no 4th floor. Oh, but it has the 13. Has the original Lexan on the outside. Let's get in this one. Let's go to C. Wow, this elevator is amazing. 19th floor. Oh, C's actually the bottom floor. Wow. Love these elevators. And I think that's it.